surfaces and runways, there are more specific surfaces that also need to be cleaned. How do you take care of solar?
Hey there guys, what's going on and welcome back to our channel. In a world full of pollution and dirt, cleaning machines are an important invention. In the modern world, cleaning is not about washing with a bucket full of water and mops and doing all the work manually, but the rising technology has advanced cleaning methods as well. There are some super powerful cleaning machines invented that can clean the mess in minutes without using any manpower. So let's look into some of these incredibly powerful cleaning machines today. Number 5, Traffic Line's Duo Twister. Did you know that after each plane lands, the wheels leave 7 kilograms of rubber on the runway that is stuck to the asphalt for safety reasons? That rubber then needs to be cleaned for other planes to land on the runway. Learning something new? Well, there's more. This rubber cannot be cleaned manually and requires a super powerful cleaning machine. And that's when Traffic Line's Duo Twister comes to the rescue. It's an innovative water supply system that provides a pressure of almost 3,600 kilograms per square centimeter. You might think that such a force can have a negative effect on the runway, but there's no need to worry because engineers have taken this into account. The machine is not only gentle, but is also able to restore the surface's texture. Thanks to its automated joint cover system, Duo Twister is able to remove markings without damaging the joints. Power and economy are usually incompatible concepts, but not in this case. The machine instantly sucks up all the dirty water, cleans it, and reuses it, so it is powerful, but also saves water. One unit makes nearly 5,000 square meters shine in just 1 hour. If that's not incredibly powerful, then we don't know what is. Seems like the Traffic Line's Duo Twister is the Superman of cleaning machines.
Remains on the runway and sticks to the asphalt. For safety reasons, it's necessary to get rid of it, but only extremely powerful equipment can do it.
Number 4, Solar Cleaner C4000. We don't usually think about the fact that besides pavements, road surfaces, and runways, there are more specific surfaces that also need to be cleaned. How do you take care of solar panels? Literally cleaning them with just one movement seems impossible, right? But only by using the machine by BP Metal Mechanica can you make the impossible possible. The C4000 is particularly remarkable and is equipped with a telescopic boom on which a special brush is mounted for wet, dry, or combined cleaning. The Solar Cleaner C4000 is suitable for photovoltaic panels up to 6.5 meters high. The water system consists of a tank of 2,100 and 1,800 liters respectively, and a pump with a capacity of 40 liters per minute. This high-technology machine has also been implemented with special built-in sensors to ensure that the distance from the brush to the fragile surface always remains the same. The engineer who made this machine took care of each and every aspect and designed it perfectly. That engineer surely deserves a reward, don't they?
Surfaces that also need to be cleaned. How do you take care of solar panels, for example? Literally with one movement.
Number 3, Interceptor O4. When you look at this machine, you might think we're looking at a next generation luxury yacht, but it turns out that machines that do some dirty work can also have a futuristic design, and this design is way too cool. Interceptor is an autonomous floating pollution collector created by Ocean Cleanup. As we know, most waste ends up in the ocean from rivers because of industrialization, so this machine was designed specifically to work in rivers. Interceptor moves against the current and picks up trash, which then falls onto a conveyor belt. The moving mechanism immediately distributes it into 6 containers. Their total weight is about 15 meters cubed. According to the developers, the machine collects 50,000 kilograms of plastic in a day, and in optimal conditions, this figure can be twice as much. By the way, there's a reason behind this design. All the systems of the Interceptor are automated. It even controls the filling of the tanks and notifies the operator naturally. The machine needs no manpower except for the one who gives the commands and starts it. It does enough work in just a day that would take weeks to be done manually. Now isn't that incredible?
Interceptor is an autonomous floating pollution collector created by Ocean Cleanup. Most waste ends up.
Number 2. Whiten Tech MC3. Have you ever seen the side of a major music festival right after it ended? If yes, then you must remember this picture of tons of garbage scattered all over the territory. Well, people are dirty. Even the best team of janitors won't be able to clean it in a week. So a huge vacuum cleaner is needed, and fortunately, we have just the one. Whiten Tech MC3 is basically like the household appliance we're used to. Only 2 bigger fans located in the front of the machine can suck up the waste, which is immediately shredded and placed into a tank with a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters. The manufacturer has equipped the model with 3 wheels for better maneuverability. Whiten Tech moves easily around the festival site, but can also be used on city streets to remove leaves at a speed of up to 45 kilometers per hour. Well, now that is one powerful cleaner if we've ever seen one. Who knows how many days it would have taken to clean such places without this cleaner? It is truly a lifesaver and a blessing all in one.
Then you must remember this picture. Tons of garbage scattered all over the territory. Even the best team of janitors.
Number 1. Swigo 200. All of us have at least once woken up to the noise of cleaning equipment outside the window. That noise has annoyed all of us, but what can we do? Cleaning is necessary, but there is one solution, and the name of that solution is Swigo 200. The model can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour and is practically silent. The secret is simple. The Swigo 200 is the first fully electric sweeper in the world. The battery is almost as good as a top-of-the-range electric car. It takes 4 hours to fully charge, and then it works for up to 10 hours without interruption. The best part about the machine is that it is both economical and environmentally friendly, so no more getting annoyed by the noise of cleaning machines. Well, just hope that your neighborhood gets one too.
Silent. The secret is simple. The Swigo 200 Plus is the first fully electric sweeper in the world.
We know that after going through this video, you guys are just as ecstatic about getting these cleaning appliances for yourself as well. And if you are, then do let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And with that, I'll be catching you guys later in another video. Bye now!